What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And your boy Kareem.
Welcome to another exciting episode of Brew Broz.
Tonight, we're going to have... What are we having tonight?
Oh, wait, before we do that, I do have an announcement.
Oh.
So we hit a little bit of a milestone.
Okay.
Right? Thanks to all you viewers out there. Okay.
Yes.
We currently have 5 subscribers.
That's right.
A whole 5 subscribers.
Meow, meow, meow.
So, with your help, we can make it 6.
Let's get to 6.
Like, subscribe,
And
ring that
share
bell, and share with your friends. I only did this because I see other people doing it. I don't know what the hell it means.
It's going to be down there somewhere.
All right, so what we got for the people today, Kareem?
Today we have Don Fulano.
Don Fulano
Tequila.
All right, let's crack it open.
Hey.
What kind of tequila is it? Is it blanco? Well, what's the vintage?
Reposado.
Reposado. Are you a big reposado fan?
Not really,
Okay.
to be honest. I usually like a blanco.
Me too. And we chose a reposado today because of the drink we're going to be making. But before we get into that, let's try this one out.
All right. Let's crack it open. Okay.
Ooh, interesting. Has a strong kick right off the bat. The smell-wise.
And it's a fancy bottle.
Now, for those of you who don't know, Don Fulano is an additive-free tequila. We've been trying to stay away from tequilas that have additives. You actually taste a big difference.
Yes. Much smoother. You don't get much of the hangover.
The burn either. You don't have as much of a burn when it comes to this. I guess the additives contribute to that.
Could be. And it doesn't give you the Harlem Shakes. If you know what I mean.
Gotta swirl it around a little, aerate it. Nah, I'm just talking crap. I don't know what the hell it's for. Ooh, it has
classic tequila smell.
Yes, classic tequila smell. It's reminiscent, but not as harsh of like Cuervo.
Yeah,
to me. Was Cuervo a reposado?
Usually, yes, but then again, it could be a añejo. That if I'm pronouncing it correctly.
I don't remember if Cuervo ever had an actual
reposado.
What would you call this? Flavor? No, it's not a flavor.
No,
it's classification, vintage.
I guess. We'll look it up. We'll maybe put a comment down below. Cheers.
Ooh, that's it's surprisingly smooth.
Yes,
but then it comes with a burn at the end.
Yeah, I get the burn at the end.
Mm-hmm. I almost get flavors of like sea salt, and you get lime zest.
Yeah,
that like immediately came
citrus bite at the end.
It almost tastes like a margarita with a heavier pour of tequila, and it's just the alcohol.
Yeah. Very smooth though.
It's not bad. Yeah, no, I actually like it for not being a blanco.
It's a plus.
Now, I want you to tell the audience what kind of cocktail we're making for them today.
Today we're making a Oaxaca Old Fashioned.
All right, let's make the cocktail.
Okay.
All right, let's move on to the Oaxaca Old Fashioned. First, let's get our cups. Kareem, let's get the fancy ice, please.
Fancy ice.
Now, because it's 2 of us, I'm going to double up on the ingredients. So what you need is 1.5 ounces of the reposado. So I'm going to make 3 ounces.
Okay.
For the both of us. That's 1 full jigger. 2. Now, this drink also calls for a mezcal, and it calls for 1/2 ounce of mezcal. Between the both of us, we're going to mix a 4 ounce.
Okay.
1 bar spoonful of agave syrup. Both of us make it 2. And we're going to be using mole bitters to give it a little extra put of a punch. 2 dashes of mole bitters together, 4.
Okay.
Kareem, can you please add some ice to, I don't know the name of this thing. You think I should?
Yeah.
You know, I use it all the time, but I don't.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. We're just gonna chill the drink, combine a little.
Melt the flavors together.
And let's pour that out. Ready?
Really?
So I want to say that the mole or the agave gives it a nice like golden color to it.
Yeah.
But you do kind of see like the mole
kind of floating, the floaties.
debris, floaties in there. Hopefully it tastes better than what it looks. Because I mean, it looks like dirty water. Like, like when they have like the faucet, it's all running and it's all rusty.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Click, clack.
The Oaxaca Old Fashioned. Oh,
interesting.
It's sweeter than I thought it would be. The agave it sticks out for me.
Yeah.
Right. I'm not getting a lot of the mole flavor, and the smokiness of the mezcal seems to be muted a little by the agave.
Yeah.
Right.
You just get that hint of smokiness. Yeah, you do get a lot of the agave. I don't get much of the mole. Maybe there's like a hint of like a hint of like cacao, like under there, almost like a dark chocolate.
I can taste that. I can see that. What about the next round? We add maybe 3 dash instead of 2. See if we get more of that flavor pronounced. Okay, so question of the day on the Brew Broz scales of 1 to 5. 1 being puke.
Yeah.
5 being an amazing drink.
Okay.
What would you? Are we rating the tequila, or are we rating just the drink itself?
Well, we could do both.
Okay.
All right. So,
we want to take another sample of the reposado.
No, I don't. Okay. I'm pretty convinced on how I feel about the tequila.
Okay.
So for the tequila, it was 1 to 5, right?
1 to 5.
I would say it's a 4.
Oh, it's a 4.
Yeah.
Okay.
I really enjoy it. It's not gas station tequila.
The Bad Bull scale.
It blows that out of the water.
I think that's gonna be the name of our scale. 1 to 5 is gonna be the Bad Bull scale. So you gave it a 4. Oh, okay. Let's see. I think I'm gonna have to give the tequila. I'm gonna give it a 3. I'm gonna give it mid-range. Mid-range, yeah.
Wow.
Even though I like it, it has a decent flavor. It has like a good smoothness to it. I'm just not a big fan of the reposado. Okay. Because I'm not a fan of it, I have to give it a lower grade.
Okay, I understand. Also, what would be go ahead, finish what you were gonna say.
I forgot.
So, what would you give the drink?
Oh, okay. Now, I do like the combination of everything.
Yes.
I think it's actually a very smooth drink. It is lacking something, so I'm gonna stay mid-range and give it a 3.
Okay.
It might be just lacking that the mole flavor,
It could be.
that chocolate tone. Other than that, though, I think the flavors combine very well and it's actually pretty smooth.
Yeah, I'm going to first off say this is, although I'm becoming more of a tequila fan,
Mm-hmm.
this is not my kind of drink. Even
Okay.
though I would drink like a regular old fashioned um all day every day, right? But for some reason, yes, it's not bad, not terrible. It's not bad bulls, but I would have to give this. I don't. I think 3 is too high, but
Really?
it's not because I don't like it. It's just I don't think this is my drink. This one would definitely be like last on my go-to drinks.
Okay. Now, is it? Do you think it's because of mezcal, the smokiness of the mezcal? Because that's what does it for
Yeah.
me.
I don't get much of the smoking. That's what's good about it. I don't get that smokiness from the mezcal, but for some reason, it's like I'm just not jiving with it.
Okay. You know what this would be
It
good
seems
as?
like it's missing like either like seltzer water or like something to like spritz it up to liven it up. It's not. It's kind of like a level tone drink. It's missing like maybe some acidity.
I mean, the flavors do mix very well.
They do.
You know what I can see this with?
Maybe soda water. It would go well.
No, I think like a boozy milkshake, like a chocolate shake, or even if you turn this into like boozy ice cream. I can see this mixing in with that.
Maybe creaminess. I could. It could. Maybe like a was that like a White Russian.
Oh, hard pass.
No, but saying like something like that, like where they add some kind of cream to it to give you that creaminess to meld the flavors. If you add the chocolate, you would need something to.
I guess that's true. Let us know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you like the flavors or if it's just not your drink.
Yeah, I would say like a touching 3, but not quite 3.
And on that note, peace out, everybody.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Do, 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 do.
Stay tuned for our messages.
Yeah.